What are you doing, Mr. Black? Oh, better get out of the way. Move it, move it. Time to feed the chickies. All right, chunks. Here, chunky boy. Oh, here. Take it. You take it. You take it. There you go. Have a nice day. Yep, we'll be getting some water later. Alright, watch this. This is cool. Come on, girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. What are you doing up there? Sleepers. I know they don't have their light on anymore. I pulled the heater. So it's not lit up in there anymore. Have to go turn the light on, I guess. Dun, dun, dun. Morning, girls. Time to get up. Yeah, get out. Get out. Hold this. It's daytime. It's time to go, girls. Yeah. Yeah, I'm talking to you. See that light right there? That's not a light. That's an infrared heater. Watch out for the wall. That is a spare cell phone. With the security app, I can watch it from my tablet in the house. Hey! You guys sure make a lot of noise in there. There's outside security chicken. Hey, boy. I got little chick serving trays. There you go, girls. Come on, guys. Come on. Watch out, watch out. Alright. Hey, Turk. How you doing? Let's give these boys some food out here. There you go, boys. Go get it. Go over there and get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, huh? Okay. I gotta build another chicken house, just like this one. So we gotta take a board count. $25, I thought so. fatty's water's all gone. Oh. Just have to get this off here. Yep. Needs to be redone with new water. Get the fatty's feeding tray in here. The fatties are meat birds. They get crumbles their whole life until they get turned into chicken pot pie or something. So they get crumbles. Now I gotta get the water. Come on! Sliding doors, I love them. You just slide it out, slide it back in at nighttime, and they're good to go. Fatty, fatty, fatty! Meat birds. Bought 6 of them at the co-op, and 3 of them died right away. So don't buy birds from co-ops if you don't have to. Alright boys, watch out. You gotta get water for the fatties. Okay. Oh, the Silky's house is next. I'll get them after I get the water out for the fatties. Fatties. Chickens galore. I gotta build another chicken house, so I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 chicken houses when it's all done.